now it's on.
Okay. What's the date today?
December 1st.
December
Oh,
1st,
it is
yeah.
December.
First snow of the year.
Do you want more light?
Yeah, let me get some of this snow out here. Can we
Yeah.
see that? Oh, I can't see that. Oh, wait, yeah, you can. It's snowing.
Yeah. Beautiful.
You better get that light.
Check out that.
No.
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
That's Daisy's new light.
She's a beauty.
It's Isabel's light.
Keeper.
It's a balloon.
And we found something that was hilarious with Aunt Daisy.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, ready?
All right.
You get a good toss on that one.
Okay.
Hold on.
Here we go. Looking at
The axe with
the
the
light.
light.
And
Okay.
we lock on.
Okay.
And go after.
The camera might be shaking a little bit. Oh, no.
Even talk through it.
We go.
That was good.
Found the light. Oh my gosh, here it comes.
Okay. She's done.
All right. I bet we're going to be glad we captured that video.
Oh, baby. Hi. Excuse you. Oh, come on. Can you answer? What are you doing? Just hit the green.
Hello, Amber's phone.
Let's get one more shot of this. Oh, yeah. That was a good lock on there.